So we have a new patio umbrella to share. This one's a pretty large one, and you can see that this one is more of the offset one, or whatever they call it. And I'll show you how it works and the assembly and everything. Now, it does come with a couple bags for your sand. The issue is that I didn't have enough sand, so I ended up using potting soil to hold this up for now. I gotta buy some more sand tomorrow. But you do get, it does come with 2 sandbags that you fill up with sand, and then that's going to weigh it down for your base. Now let's go ahead and bring down the umbrella real quick. So you're going to, of course that probably doesn't help that I got the swing there, but okay, there we go. So you're going to unwind it. There's a button here, you're going to press that, and you can bring this in. Really easy to bring it in, put it out, and then there is this tie with Velcro that you put around it to hold it in place. Pretty easy to do. And then now I did break it off the chain yesterday because I was a little aggressive, but there is a little stopper that you'll put through the holes, and that's going to keep it from twisting and just falling off. I mean, it's not going to fall off very easily. I'll show you, because you got to set it down on the pipe a bit, so it's not going to fall off very easily. Now, as for assembly, it's super easy, super fast. The base, you just snap it all together. It takes a couple minutes, if that. And this is already put together, and then you just put it on, and you're done. So super easy for assembly on this one. When you're ready to use it, just put it on like so. And you can put this in any angle, because there are several holes in the pole where you can change the angle of this. And then you just put your little thing in there. That's going to hold it in place. And then we can easily let it back out. Now it is angled a little bit just because my ground is not very even. So just do that, and then all you got to do is press that little button here, lift it all the way up again. It goes all the way up that high. You can also adjust it where, like, if you only want it a certain height, it will click like right there. Let's go ahead and take it out, and I'll show you the difference between that. And you just wind this out. And with that, you have it facing where, or you can face it pretty much the sun, and it's going to block it like that. And like I said, you can also adjust it. So if you want to go, or maybe you can't, well, you can adjust it to go up a little bit. You got these different holes for different angles. And then you can go where it's almost directly above you. So you can get like almost any angle you want with this to block out the sun, along with being able to rotate it different directions, or you can rotate the whole base. But once you have it weighed down with sand and stuff, it's going to be a little heavy. Give you a quick look underneath just to give you an idea what that looks like. But overall, it's a pretty nice patio umbrella. Really easy to put it up, put it down. Doesn't take very long at all. And it's a pretty decent quality. It was definitely nice to have yesterday in all the sun. But if you're looking for a nice patio umbrella, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.